Okay, look, if you didn't know this meme coin by now, well, it's probably the most safest with the highest risk that you could get into. Guys, this meme coin is on the base ecosystem and is typically, or technically, the mascot of base. That is base Brett. That is the token that we're going to be taking a look at, guys. Trading at 0.14. A dollar is lurking, a dollar is coming very soon, and we're going to be reviewing this token and why I think it's one of the more risk averse plays in terms of meme coins that you could hop into. My name is Ro. If you're new to the channel, I cover the latest and the greatest crypto content. So again, if you're new, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell because I post 3 times a day. I wouldn't want you guys to miss any of my uploads because I'm trying to walk you guys through this crypto bull run. Again, it's hard to do it alone. If you have any questions, send me a DM on Instagram at Roshawn Silva. Literally just my YouTube name at ROSHAWNSILVA. Make sure you guys drop me a follow and you could hit me up with any messages you have. I've already been talking to a lot of you. Ask me anything you want, right? Whether it's crypto, fitness, gym, cars, literally anything. I got you guys. Anyways, let's hop into today's video. Okay, guys, based Brett trading at 0.1401, up 261% all time. And something I just realized is that this token wasn't around for that long. Like January, February, March 12th is when it got listed on CoinMarketCap, and before that, it wasn't even there for too long, right? If you don't know what base bread is, it's basically based on one of Matt Fury's memes as well, or not his memes, based on one of his comics. That's why this thing is absolutely like insanely popular. Now the market cap is down 3%, $1.388 billion, but it is a top 100 crypto and it's a meme and it came out this year, so it has a lot of bullish narrative behind it. The volume in the last 24 hours is down 22%, but that is okay, guys. In the last 7 days, we're up 11%. In the last 24 hours, I believe we are down a little bit, down 3%, but we have a ton of huge listings, and yet again, we don't have we don't have Binance or Coinbase, so hopefully we do see those listings soon as well, because that would be super bullish for this project. Now, this is the website I always cover, and I always say how disturbing is this over here, where this guy's just licking you across the screen. Anyways, if you do want to buy it, it's on Bybit, KuCoin, which is a tier 1 exchange, but still waiting for that Coinbase and Binance listings. Again, with the coin that's as hype as this, that's in the top 100, guys, as you guys see things pick up in the crypto market, as you guys see us finally get out of July, go into the latter half of this year, you will see Coinbase, you will see Binance listings for this token. Obviously, futures trading as well, which is leverage trading, which again, if you are one of my YouTube subscribers, please don't leverage trade. I used to leverage trade like Forex and things like that back in the day. Lost tens of thousands of dollars. Would not recommend it, guys. Don't fall into that pit. If you know what you're doing, it's still hard. Like, I knew what I was doing because I read books upon it. I did technical analysis in the back in the day, and I still lost a lot of money, right? So just stick to buying and holding, because time inside of the market is better than trying to time a market. That's something I always preach. And again, just buy it, hold it. It's an investment, right? It's not a risk. You're not gambling. Now, Bybit, Kraken futures, KuCoin futures are just some of the places you could buy this at if you want to trade leverage. Now, this thing came out March 2024, right? Now, let's take a look. Let's do a little bit of markups here. Let's take a look at where some supply and resistance zones are. So as you guys can see, obviously a very strong supply area at this mark over here at the 0.11. I'm going to make it thinner actually. So right over here, we do have a very strong support. And again, I'm not even going to consider this a resistance area just because it just looks like regular price action. And this looks like the dump started because of Bitcoin's fallout. But in comparison to the entire crypto market, guys, this is a coin that's held really well even when Bitcoin dumped, right? If you think about it, not really a huge dump that happened from the top, which was in June 9th. To where were we? We dumped 50%, but a lot of meme coins dumped a lot more than that. And if you compare it to where we are now, we're only 20% away from the all-time high, guys. Okay, so obviously that means in reverse, if you compare it to the top here, it's going to be about 27%. So if you were to get in at these prices, guys, you're looking at 27% gain, but that's not taking into consideration the upside this thing has when the bull run is actually in full-fledged swing, right? $1.3 billion market cap. You guys know Pepe is already a $6 billion play. This one is going to reach that as well because it's just the hype around Matt Fury and his comics. So make sure, if you want a risk-averse play, meaning it's lower risk, but also a little bit lower reward, right? Because you're not going to make those 30, 40 X's, 50 X's on something like base Brett. If you're in the top 100 crypto, guys, and you're hoping to make life-changing wealth by only investing $1,000, It's not going to happen. Any top 100 play, if you're trying to make life-changing multiples of 50, 75, 100 X's, it's not going to come by plays that are in the top 100. Just trying to be honest with you guys. Okay, now this is their Twitter over here. Obviously, you guys could go ahead, drop them a follow. Very bullish. Their Twitter, their marketing team is actually one of the best teams that are out there. Over 100,000 followers on their Twitter. Now, there's something very cool that they're also doing. Water wells for 1 village out of 5 done. Water wells for 4 more villages to go. Awesome work by Mandela BTC. Let's see. Of the 5 planned villages, the well for the first village has been completed. There are still 4 more villages to go. Sorry guys, I'm burping. Supported by Brett on base. Absolutely love meme coins or any crypto that's out there that's actually making a difference across the world, because you have my support if that's a thing, right? You're not doing it for selfish gain. You're actually taking some of those profits that come and you're reinvesting it into this earth, which is obviously a very good sign. So God bless these guys for that. New market update. You can now trade base Brett on DYDX chain. Now again, I don't even know where this is. Where is this? Is the world's leading perpetuals DEX, fully centralized community, not available in US. Where are these guys based out of? Let's see. I don't even know if I can find it, but these guys are obviously not based in the US. They're based internationally. So very bullish. These guys are getting listed on coins, not just within, the Americas, but also outside of it. Study S-tier memes, meme coins like Brett, and you'll see what sets them apart. They look like cults, and their followers sound like cult members, but that's what makes them successful to an extent. That genuinely is what makes a meme coin successful. It's people that have this undeniable conviction about a play that is all up in your face about it. Yes, if you are XRP, you are just foolish. But if you're something like a meme coin that came out, you seem more logical than an XRP holder, right? But that's basically how you get these communities to blow up, is by being just hysterically obsessed with your crypto, right? I'm not saying don't make that the first priority in your life, because God should be your first priority, but I'm saying be obsessed with your crypto to the point where you're able to study it, see what new information is coming out with it, but also be able to cut parts with it if you see something fishy going on. Now, buckle up, boys and girls. Next 4 to 6 weeks is going to be very big. Now, guys, as you can see here, did break out of this little trend line here, and this green box is basically just a duplicate of what we've seen over here, guys. There is a lot of upside potential to come with this crypto, but obviously, please do your own research. Don't just watch this video and go buy. If this is a coin that's on your watch list, maybe add some right now. But if it wasn't on your watch list and you only heard about it here, do your own research, your own due diligence, right? I'm not a financial investor. I don't want you guys to lose money. So anyways, been your boy Ro. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Again, if you have any questions, concerns, send me a message on Instagram, but make sure you follow me first at Roshawn Silva. I'll see you in my next one. God bless you guys and peace out.